and welcome to Level Up IAS. Today we will be completing the part 2 of important Congress sessions. These are the important sessions that we will be covering in this video. Gaya session of 1922, Belgaum session of 1924, Kanpur session of 1925, Madras session of 1927, Lahore session of 1929, Karachi session of 1931, Faizpur session of 1937, Haripura session of 1938, Meerut session of 1946, and the Avdi session of 1959. So let's begin. Gaya session of 1922. Session was presided by Chittaranjan Das. Swaraj Party was formed by Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Lord Reading was the Viceroy of India. Belgaum session of 1924. Session was presided by Mahatma Gandhi. It is the only session which is presided by Mahatma Gandhi. Lord Reading was the Viceroy of India. Kanpur session of 1925. Session was presided over by Sarojini Naidu. She was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress. Lord Reading was the Viceroy of India. Madras session of 1927. Session was presided by Dr. M.A. Ansari. The Congress resolved to boycott the Simon Commission at each stage and in every form. Lord Irwin was the Viceroy of India. Lahore session of 1929. Session was presided by Jawaharlal Nehru. A Purna Swaraj resolution was passed and Swaraj means complete independence. 26 January to be observed as Independence Day. Lord Irwin was the Viceroy of India. Karachi session of 1931. Session was presided by Vallabhbhai Patel. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was endorsed during this session and Gandhiji was nominated to represent Congress in the second round table conference. Lord Irwin was the Viceroy of India. Faizpur session of 1937. Session was presided by Jawaharlal Nehru. It was the first session which was held in a village. Lord Linlithgow was the Viceroy of India. Haripura session of 1938. Session was presided by Subhash Chandra Bose. National Planning Committee was set up under the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru. Lord Linlithgow was the Viceroy of India. Meerut session of 1946. Session was presided by J.B. Kriplani. It was the last session which was conducted before independence and Lord Wavell was the Viceroy of India. Avdi session of 1959. Session was presided by U.N. Debar. The session represented the Congress shift towards socialism. The Congress declared the socialist pattern of society to be its goal. First 5-year plan was presented by Pandit Nehru. This is the summary for you to revise. Now let's look at some past year questions. This question was asked in 1979. Swaraj Party was formed by Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and C. Rajagopalachari. See, if you remember, we just discussed it was formed by Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. So option A is gonna be the correct option here. Let's look at another question. Who among the following were associated with the birth of Swaraj Party? A. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, B. C.R. Das and Sardar Patel, C. Motilal Nehru and Rajendra Prasad. D. None of the above. We can clearly mark the answer as A. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. C.R. Das is Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Purna Swaraj Day was observed on 26th November 1947, 26th October 1949, 26th January 1950 and 26th January 1930. So it is the 26th January 1930 because in the Lahore session 1929 Purna Swaraj resolution was passed. So 26th January 1930 is the correct answer. Let's look at the another question. The Lahore session of the Indian National Congress 1929 is very important in history because A. The Congress passed the resolution demanding complete independence. B. The rift between the extremists and moderates were resolved in that session. Third, a resolution was passed rejecting the two-nation theory in that session. See, if you remember, option statement 2 here is incorrect because in the previous video we discussed it was the Lucknow session of 1916 in which the rift between the extremists and moderates were resolved. So statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is completely correct because the Congress passed the resolution demanding complete independence, Purna Swaraj resolution 1929. A is correct. Now statement 3, a resolution was passed rejecting the two-nation theory in that session. See, two-nation theory was rejected by cabinet mission and not by a Congress session. So statement 3 is incorrect. So option A is the correct option here. The Congress passed the resolution demanding complete independence. Okay, let's look at another question. The 1929 session of the Indian National Congress is of significance in the history of freedom movement because the attainment of self-government was declared as the objective of the Congress. Attainment of Purna Swaraj was adopted as the goal of the Congress. Non-cooperation movement was launched. Decision to participate in the Round Table Conference in London was taken. See, we just discussed it's option B, attainment of Purna Swaraj is the correct answer here. So option B is the correct answer. This is a practice question for you to practice and give your answers in the comment section below, and do like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.